Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error LS-0013 in Fortnite. To start, open the Task Manager from Start. Click on Task Manager. Here, select Epic Games Launcher. After this, click on End Task. After that, in the search box enter %local app data %. Click on File folder. When you log in, click on the Epic Games Launcher folder, then open the saved folder. Now you are going to select the folder on the screen and click Delete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you do this, enter Epic in the search box. You are going to click Run as administrator in Epic Games Launcher. Press Yes to open the console. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.